Hello, and welcome back to the Quick Learn series on building your website with Portfoliobox. In this video, we're going to show you how to rename and reorder sections on a page. By default, the sections you add will have the name of the template you chose, but renaming them can help you stay organized. Let's dive in. Let's start by renaming our first section. To do this, click on Edit Section in the top right corner of the section. This will open a context menu. From the options, choose Reorder Sections. Now, you'll see a field labeled Section Title. We'll rename this section Portfolio to better reflect its content. Next, we'll move on to the second section. Follow the same steps. Click Edit Section, then Reorder Sections. And in the section Title field, we'll name this one Services. It's quick and easy to give your sections meaningful names. Now, let's rename and move the third section. Once again, click Edit Section, choose Reorder Sections, and this time we'll name it About. Once you've renamed it, use the up and down arrow to drag the section into the position of your choice. You'll see that the section is instantly moved into place. Finally, we'll rename the last two sections. We'll call them Testimonials and Contact. Renaming sections is optional, but it's helpful when you're managing a lot of content and want to know which section is which at a glance. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can rename and reorder sections to customize your page layout and keep everything organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick learn tutorials to help you master Portfoliobox. Happy site building!